hello. Would you like some more worship dance moves to add to your choreography? We're going to go over some more coming right up. Hi, I'm Lynn Hayden with Dancing for Him Ministries, and this is Worship Dance Tips and Techniques, where I go over all kinds of movement ideas, choreography technique, dance concepts, dance composition, word studies, all kinds of things to help you as the worship dancer to grow in your call to dance before the Lord. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Please hit the subscribe button down below so we can let you know when new videos come out, and see the description box below for links to the online school, to more resources that will be helpful for you. Also, take a look at the cards that will flash above my head or the end screen to see even more videos and more movement ideas. So let's get right to the video. In this video, we're going to continue in a series that I've been teaching. This is part 2. I'll be going over some steps and breaking it down step by step. Some worship dance moves that you can add to your choreography, but this is from a dance that I taught during a graduation conference. It's graduation from the online school, and break the steps down step by step, and you'll see some clips. We had a very, very short time to learn the dance, but let's get right to it. We're going to do the chorus. I'm going to be really quick. So it starts out, you're facing the diagonal, your feet are together, and you contract and round, 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 2, 3, 4, stand up, 5, 6, and then pick up your downstage leg on 7, 8, like you're running, flexed foot. And then it's extend the leg 1, 2, step toward it, and then your hands go 3, 4, which I'll show you closer in a minute. Then you do that heartbeat like we did before, starting with the upstage hand. 5, 6, walk around 7, 8. Then the whole thing repeats on the other side. It's contract 2, 3, 4, stand up 5, 6, run 7, 8. Extend 1, 2, circle the hands 3, 4, heartbeat 5, 6, walk around 7, 8. Then you're ready to begin the verse. So the hands up close, it's like you're one at a time in succession with your hands, and they're circling. So it's like the pinky finger, ring finger, middle, one finger at a time. So it's this hand and then this hand, and at the same time they're circling around. So it's like a song coming out of your mouth, right? The contraction with your hands over your head was like, you know, God is so all-powerful and, you know, brilliant that we can't even stand to look, right? And then and this is the song coming out of our mouth, and this is the indication of the, you know, our love for the Lord, and, you know, the heartbeat. Contract 2, 3, 4, stand up 6, leg up 7, 8, extend, and hands circle around, beat, beat, and walk around again. Contract 2, 3, 4, stand up 6, legs 7, 8, hit extend, and hands circle, heartbeat around 6, 7, 8. Abba 2, 3, 4, up, I belong to you, circle hands, heartbeat, walk around, Abba, and up. I belong to extend, circle around, heartbeat, walk around, and 7, 8, and Abba, and walk, walk, Abba, and circle overhead, and circle, arms down, and up, and Abba, and reach. I belong to circle, arms down, and up, and up. Abba, I belong to you. Abba, Abba, Abba. So this is the exit. And then the last note is the same person who began in the introduction of the dance. And she does the Abba until the music fades. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video and you found the worship dance moves helpful and that you can add them to your choreography. I hope to see you at a conference or in the online school sometime. God bless you.